Good afternoon, dear children. Let's learn a new topic in craft, that is a yacht. Here we will learn how to make a yacht step by step. Colored craft paper, fold it into a triangle and find its center. Triangle and then fold the lower tip to the center of the paper. Fold the paper into half backwards. Bottom corner of both the layers inside out on the dotted line. The bottom on the dotted line, the paper will look like this. Angular flap to form the body of the yacht. Corners inside along the dotted line to give a proper shape to the sail. Will look like this. Paint bright stripes on both the sides of the sail. See how lovely the yacht looks. This is your completed yacht. Now children, take your drawing paper, draw the borders, write a yacht in the top margin, color the paper with water and sand, and then stick your yacht in the water. Now sit back and do your craft. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless.